Hello everyone. Today we'll find the age of a person using his date of birth. So we need to learn the simple mathematical calculation to find the age, like just doing a simple calculation like addition or subtraction. So before that we need to know the current date and date of birth. We will make a column. We will write the date of birth and current date in format of year, month and date. First we will write the current date. So today is 2022 10 and 05. Now we will take a date of birth like it can be 03 5 2004. Now we need to subtract date of birth from current date. So it can be done simply like a subtraction. 5 minus 8 will be 2, 10 minus 5 it will be 5, and here it will be 18 year. It means that a person is 18 years 5 months and have 2 days. Now let's take another example. Today's date, month and year. Now taking another example like 2004 10 and 05. Here you can see the birth date of month is greater than current month, so it can't be subtracted. We need to take carry from year. So we will first minus date to date, it will be 5, and now we will take carry from year, which suppose we are taking from 1 year, so we will minus 1 from year and we will add 1 to 5. Not like that, we will need to change year to month, because we know that we can calculate those terms which have the same unit, but year and month are different, so we need to change year to month. So as we know, 1 month had 12, 1 year have 12 months, so we will add 12 to 5, which will be 17 month. Now we will subtract 10 months from 17, which will be 7 months 5 days, and now it will be 2021. And now we have to subtract 2021 from 2004, which will be 17 years. So simple. Now let's take another example like 2022 05 05 and date of birth 2004 10. Now you can see here date is also greater than the current date, so as usual we need to take carry from month. Here we will subtract minus 1, which will be 4, and we need to add 1 month. So we will take 1 month having 30 days, so we will add here 30, which will be 35. So now we will subtract 10 from 35, which will be 25, and here you can see it is 4, and current month is greater than 4, so we need to take carry as we had done before from year. So here it will be minus 1, which will is equal to 2021, and here it will become 17. Now here subtracting 10 from 17, we will have 7 month 25 days, and subtracting 2004 from 2021, which will be 17 years. If you are thinking what happened with the date of birth, year of birth is greater than the current date, so it is not possible, because you know time don't go back. So thank you. If you like the video, like and subscribe.